Everybody, welcome back to Keith 60 Hotshot Adventures and Clips Day. Don't have to work, so work on the business, right? Replacing the rear spring hanger, as you can see on my tandem. I had an issue where the bolt pulled through and then it snapped off this side. If you can see the crack in there, so temporarily got everything kind of centered and used a MIG welder turned up. It's an old Lincoln with some argon gas, and just buzzed it back together, and it's been that way for like 3 or 4 car hauls so far. At this point, I just cut it into it a little bit and just beat it off. And sadly, well, in my case, my welds didn't move one bit, but their welds pretty much came off pretty easy. So, got another one of those ready to go. Just got to clean up the frame and burn the new one in. But this is just kind of a heads up, like, got to keep up on your maintenance. Got to check everything out. Check your welds, check your tires, check your brakes, check your electrical. That's just your trailer. It's like, and obviously you know how much work goes into keeping your vehicle going, oil changes and everything else with that. So Hotshot ain't what it's all cracked up to be. It ain't just hop on the road and just, you know, hold the steering wheel. I mean, if you're a do it yourself or try and keep your costs low, this is your cost. You get to spend instead of day barbecuing, gotta get the stuff fixed. Otherwise you're paying somebody else. Shop rates now, depending on where you go, you're looking at $95 to $120 an hour for shop rates. And if you're looking at diesel work, those rates are like $120, depending on where you go. A couple shops I deal with, their rates are like $120, $150 an hour. So thankfully I can turn my own wrenches, so I'm saving a ton of money in labor. That head job I just did would have been probably a $3,000 to $5,000 job, and at least 3 just in parts, at least another 1 to 2 minimum in labor with the current rates. So I just saved myself a couple grand doing it myself. But anyway, just wanted to make a quick video here of what I'm working on today. Now that the old 6.0 is running, I got to work on the trailer. So back to it. Alright, here we are. We got the new bracket put in there, mounted up. Welds look terrible, but it's welded all the way around, plus the 2 holes in the middle. Got the weld in there. Got some Loctite on the bolt. It's already a locking nut, so I'll do some Loctite on that as well. I ground a bevel into that, so I ran a root pass, and then as you kind of can tell, I ran a couple passes over top of that. Did that all the way around, so that shouldn't go anywhere. If it does, guess I'm getting the welder back out and I'm welding it on again. So, alright, this one's fixed, on to the next project.